How to bold text on your Instagram bio. So first of all, open the Google Chrome and search now like this font changer, and you show websites. First website like Lingosm, click on it and type your text like this my name, and you show the like all fonts. So click on it like this my favorite font. Choose now and choose and copy now, and open the Instagram applications. Then click on the bio options, edit icon, and choose the bio and type now like this. Type now and save now, and your bold font is successfully added. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.